In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets offline so you can keep working even without internet. Make sure to subscribe for more simple tips. Start by using Google Chrome, since offline mode works best there. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions and then Manage Extensions. Make sure the Google Docs offline extension is installed and turned on. If it's not there, install it from the Chrome Web Store. Next, go to Google Drive. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and open Settings. Scroll down until you find the offline section. Turn on the option that allows you to create, open, and edit your docs, sheets, and slides files offline. This step tells Google to store files locally on your device. Now choose which files you want available offline. In Google Drive, right-click on any spreadsheet and click Make Available Offline. You can do this for multiple files depending on what you need. Once everything is set up, you can open and edit your Google Sheets files even without Wi-Fi. Any changes you make will be saved locally, and as soon as you reconnect to the internet, everything will automatically sync back to your account. That's it. You can now work from anywhere without worrying about losing access to your spreadsheets. Drop a comment if you need help setting this up and subscribe for more Google Sheets tutorials.